All right, team, last one. All right, here's the first thing I'm going to do. Rewrite each expression so that each term is in the form kx to the power of n. Now, it may not seem obvious, but if we had something like 3a squared over 7b to the third, it would be much easier in calculus to deal with 3 over 7 times a squared times b to the negative 3. This would be a much easier problem, and you guys will see why next year. So after I think about the form that I want my equations in, again, form I want my answers. Oh, whoops, and I almost forgot. We don't want 4 over x. This problem is going to be much better if we have x to the 1/2 times 2x squared minus 4x to the negative 1. That's going to be much easier. Great, now that we have everything in the form we wanted in, we're going to move on to number 2. Second, I'm just going to use the properties of exponents. I'm going to distribute this x to the 1/2, and I'm going to make this 2x squared times x to the 1/2 minus 4x to the negative 1 times x to the 1/2. Now, when I'm multiplying x's, I'm going to add the exponents. So this is going to look like 2x to the second power plus 1/2 minus 4x to the negative 1 plus 1/2. Now, sometimes it's hard to think about 2 plus 1/2, and we need these in fractions and not decimals. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2x. I'm going to rewrite 2 as 4 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 4x. I'm going to write this as negative 2 over 2 plus 1/2. This way I can actually add these fractions. So this would be 2x to the 5 over 2 minus 4x to the negative 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2.